Hey, what's up, YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my faithful patrons, double salute. Now, today's video, we're actually going to be talking about the best banks to get paid early, up to 2 days early, okay? Now, before we talk about the banks that get paid 2 days early, let's talk about the companies that allow you to get paid daily. It's called daily pay, and like if you have a company and stuff like that, they can sign up and everything. And what it is, it's an app on your phone once the company signs up that you will be allowed to get paid daily instead of waiting a week or 2 weeks and stuff like that. The unfortunate thing about this is they do charge a fee in order to access those funds, which starts at $1.25. So depends on how much you're making daily. This may be a benefit for you, especially if you're needing money right away. Okay. Now, the first bank or credit union I want to talk about is Andrews Federal Credit Union. Now, Andrews Federal Credit Union, it is a black-owned institution, and that shouldn't matter because all you want is a financial institution where you're able to bank with and get money from, right? So the minimum opening deposit on this is $5. They offer business bank accounts, and the reason that I put that there because you want to really be with a financial institution that not only offer a personal savings account but business bank accounts, so that way you'll be in a position not only to get funding from on the personal side but on the business side as well. So that's the reason that Andrews is on the top of the list. All right. The good thing about it, they don't charge any monthly service fees. You receive your paycheck up to 1 day early instead of the 2 days early. The overdraft protection is linking your savings or your overdraft line of credit. Now, that overdraft line of credit actually can be a trade line that show up on your personal credit and boost up your credit score. So that's the reason that I really like Andrews Federal Credit Union. Now, they don't charge any no annual fees or other fees for this account. One thing that I really like is that they offer a Visa signature card that goes from 5,000 up to 50,000. From 5,000 up to 50,000 on their Visa signature card. And the cool part about it with Andrews Federal Credit Union, you don't have to have perfect credit, like a 700 credit score, in order to get a Visa signature card, okay? And I made a video on how to join, but I'd probably go more in depth about talking about applying for like their loans and their Visa credit cards and their business credit cards as well. Now, the caveat of this is that there are only branches in DC, Maryland, New Jersey, West Virginia, and Washington. However, you can be anywhere in the country and join long as you are part of the Consumer Council. I think it's the American Consumer Council, and you can join them and then become a member, all right? Now, Capital One is another bank that's on my list, and the reason is, again, they don't charge any fees for opening deposit minimum account balances. They process direct deposits within 2 business days early. So that's the reason a lot of people, so they're able to get their paychecks early, 2 days early, up to 2 days early, I should say. No monthly service fees, no overdraft fees. Now, some of you are like, what do you mean no overdraft fees? I've been charged overdraft fees, but listen to what I'm telling you. Starting in 2022, Capital One will no longer be charging overdraft fees. All right. So what's going to happen is those of you that are currently with Capital One, all right, what they have, this new system is going to change over, and all of their current members and stuff will actually be changed over to where when you're using your account, if you go overdraft, it won't charge you any fees on that. Okay, but that's starting in 2022. All right, so there's no foreign transaction fees, and they offer business bank accounts. And the thing about it, I like Capital One Like I said, I don't like the thought of them putting in 3 inquiries just to get 1 credit card, but I like them because they they have a business credit card that you can get with a 580 credit score. All right. And here's another thing. If you had an account that went bad on the personal side, that does not eliminate you from getting a business bank account with them or getting a business credit card with them. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Now, another bank is Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, of course, you have to be a member of Navy Federal in order to get access to their checking account. But here's the thing about it. Navy Federal is one of the most flexible credit unions in the game. Okay, if you was choosing between a credit union and a bank, Navy Federal is where you want to be. As a matter of fact, I made several videos about Navy Federal. I made a video on actually how to join Navy Federal even if you're not military. So there are some options in the video that explains how you possibly can join Navy Federal. Okay. Now with their checking account, it's $5 minimum opening deposit. They offer a business bank account, no monthly service fees, receive direct deposits within a day earlier. Pretty much. They have 3 overdraft protection options. There's a savings transfer, line of credit, and an option overdraft protection service as well. No annual fees, no other fees, and they have internal scoring. So I mean by that, I made a video. So if you want to understand more about their Navy Federal internal scoring, put a comment below. But with their Navy Federal internal scoring goes from 100 to 450. Okay. And so say that you had a FICO score of 530, but you had a good internal score. Many people that have a low credit score or a bad credit score have still been able to get qualified for like credit cards and stuff for up to 25,000 with Navy Federal, even though they had a bad FICO score. So that's the reason that I think Navy Federal bank accounts is definitely one of those ones you would want on your list. Now, if you're a person that's worried about check systems and stuff like that, but you're still trying to rebuild your credit and stuff like that, then of course many of you have heard of Chime. Now, there's no minimum opening deposit, no monthly service fee. Receive your paycheck up to 2 days early. Your change, they round it up and they put it into your savings account. No overdraft fees or no overdrafts for up to $200 with SpotMe. Okay, so that means that you can go up to $200 without any overdraft fees. Okay, but that's only if you qualify. And Chime helps you build your credit. Okay, I'm not a big fan of Chime, but hey, leveraging their checking accounts in order to help you build your credit, definitely. Now here's another company. It's One Account, aka One Financial. Now again, if you're a person that's using your debit card a lot and you're trying to build up your credit and stuff, then One Account, aka One Financial, that's definitely one of the ones. I'm gonna go more in depth about them because I really like their MO. Now here's the thing about it: no minimum opening deposits, no monthly service fees. Use your debit card as overdraft protection. Receive their paychecks up to 2 days early. So that's another good thing about them. And again, you're not worried about being in check system. So that's a plus. The unfortunate thing, they don't offer business bank accounts, just like Chime doesn't offer business bank account. Again, you can use your debit card as overdraft protection, and it helps build your credit with their credit builder. And again, it's like you have a debit card, you're using a debit card, and then all the money on your debit card you use for that month, they report that to the credit bureau. As I always talk about with Extra, debit card does the same thing. All right, but they don't offer a checking account with Extra. This one actually offers a checking account. Now, ways that you can actually build your credit to get an extra 25 to 100 points. You can use Grow Credit and you can use Perch, both of them. So if you have like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Apple subscription type of base, gym memberships and stuff, they would actually report those accounts on your personal credit to help boost up your credit score. Now, one of the things about Perch, they also report up to 6 months of your rent payment. So if you're paying rent and you're not getting credit for it, Perch is definitely the one that you want to use. Now, you can also do pledge loans or credit builder loans to help you build up your credit. Also, adding authorized users still helps build up your credit. You have extra credit card app I just mentioned that can help you build up your credit with your debit card transaction. Then you have Boom Pay, Rental Karma, and those will help you report your rent to help build up your credit. So for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, again, please don't forget to subscribe. But also, if you have questions or concern about your business credit or personal credit, click the link below in the description. Thank you.